Hello everyone, last week we spoke about Industry 4.0 and interoperability. Many of our viewers responded asking, what is in it for me? We thought we will address this question over a series of videos. Who's this me? This me may be a person among the 20% of humans living in the developed world or among the 80% of humans living in the developing world. Either way, you may earn your living through one of the 21 economic activities specified in the ISIC list published by the United Nations. Today, we'll be looking at the first item in this list, which is agriculture. It may be shocking to know that between 33 and 50% of the food that is ever produced is never eaten. This consumed about 25% of all fresh water consumption globally. The leftover food also releases methane, which is 23 times more deadly than carbon dioxide. Studies also say that world population will hit 10 billion people by 2050. Farmers, on the other hand, complain about price fluctuations that make living out of farming an unviable option. Clearly, the way we produce and consume has a huge scope for improvement, and Industry 4.0 technologies offer a number of practical benefits in this scenario. It can help predict demand and remove price fluctuations, streamline supply chain and remove middlemen, and ensure that the farmer gets real value for his hard work. Farmers in the developing world face challenges with respect to small and fragmented farming lands. They also look for efficient ways of using water. With the promise of vendor-independent, end-to-end interoperability from sensor to cloud, Industry 4.0 technologies have the potential to be a game changer for the agriculture sector. Who knows? Farming may once again become a very interesting profession.
Watch this space for a new video every Thursday. Feel free to share this with your friends.